Disclaimer: this content is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not financial, investment, tax, or legal advice, and I am not a licensed financial advisor. The opinions shared in this video are my own and are based on my personal investing journey and experiences. Always do your own research and consider consulting a qualified financial professional before making any investment decisions. Investing involves risk. The value of investments can go up or down and could lose some or all of your invested principal. Past performance does not guarantee or predict future results. Nothing in this video should be interpreted as recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any security. You are solely responsible for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Always Be Investing. Today is day 12, Thursday, July 23rd, 2026. $100 into VTI, $1,200 total invested. Financial news for beginner investors. Oil hit $100 today and AI stocks sold off. Today's simple lesson: markets react to both company earnings and the economy around them. Today's market snapshot. The headlines were loud, but the lesson is simple. Stocks fell. S&P 500 down about 1.2%. NASDAQ down about 2.2%. Dow down about 1%. Oil spiked. Brent crude moved above $100 per barrel as Middle East supply fears increased. Tech sold off. Alphabet and Tesla dropped after investors focused on AI spending and cash flow. Translation for beginners: one day can have more than one market driver. Why does $100 oil matter? Oil is not just gasoline. It touches the whole economy. Oil rises, costs rise, inflation risk, rates rise, stocks feel it. Beginner translation: higher oil can make shipping, flying, manufacturing, and delivery more expensive. Investor translation: if costs rise, profits may get squeezed and inflation may stay higher. Market translation: higher inflation can mean higher rates, which can pressure stocks. The AI story changed today. Investors still like AI. They just want proof it makes money. Alphabet, strong business results, but the market focused on rising AI infrastructure spending and pressure on free cash flow. Tesla, revenue grew, but profit disappointed and free cash flow turned negative as spending jumped. New investor lesson: excitement is not enough. The money has to work. 3 numbers every investor should know: revenue, profit, and free cash flow are not the same thing. 1. Revenue. Money coming into the business. Example: sales, ads, subscriptions, cars, cloud services. 2. Profit. What is left after expenses under accounting rules? It tells you if the business is earning money. 3. Free cash flow. Real cash left after the company pays for operations and big investments. That is what investors watch closely. A company can grow revenue and still worry investors if cash flow gets worse. Why did stocks fall on good news? Because stocks move on expectations. Good company performance does not equal good stock reaction every single day. What Wall Street asks: did the company do better than investors expected? And does the future look better than investors expected? Today's answer: the market worried that future AI spending and oil-driven inflation could make future returns harder. Why I still bought VTI today: the headlines changed, the plan did not. Today's buy: $100. Total invested: $1,200. Project day: day 12. VTI owns many companies, not just one stock, not one CEO. not one earnings report. Diversification helps. One bad day for big tech does not define the whole market forever. Habit beats headlines. The goal is decades of investing, not guessing tomorrow's news. What new investors should not do. Bad market days tempt people into bad decisions. Do not panic sell. A red day does not automatically mean your long-term plan is broken. Do not chase headlines. Today it is oil and AI. Tomorrow it will be something else. Do not bet everything. One stock, one sector, or one theme can disappoint fast. Simple rule. Understand the news, but do not let the news control you. Today, in one simple picture, two forces hit the market at the same time. Force number one, oil over $100. Higher oil can raise costs and inflation fears. Force number two, AI spending worries. Big tech is spending heavily and investors want returns. Result, stocks fell. NASDAQ and S&P 500 dropped as investors repriced risk. The big takeaway. Great investing means seeing the whole board. Company fundamentals, revenue, earnings, spending, cash flow, and guidance. Economic forces, oil prices, inflation, interest rates, and bond yields. Investor behavior, expectations, fear, optimism, and valuation. I am not trying to predict every headline. I am building the habit. Always be investing, building wealth one trading day at a time. Day 12, $100 into VTI, $1,200 total invested. We're on YouTube, X, Instagram, and TikTok. I'll see you tomorrow.